All right, I did a quick vacuum of the area in here and taken the new filter out of its packaging, and we'll go ahead and slide that in, hopefully no problem. Oops, let me get the camera up here a little bit. Gotta love working in these areas that are only got more pine needles. I guess I didn't do a great job at vacuuming. And line that up, and then we'll push this bad dad in. How about that? Do you see that? I mean, and these are the little, see what, I brought a little brush out. I'm still seeing a little bit of particulate on this, so we'll kind of wipe this down. Wipe this down. That thing was filthy, man. All right, and then that'll close up like that. That'll snap. Even though you didn't hear it, it's connected. Gonna wipe this down, and we will push. Remember, you have one of these on each side. There's the other one, and that's how that will get back into place. You really don't need me to film that going in, but this is your 2008 Tacoma Toyota Tacoma cabin air filter replacement. And this is probably the dirtiest one you're ever going to see. I mean, shame on me. This is my work truck. It's got almost 200,000 miles on it. This thing has done many road trips. Greatest vehicle I bought. I hope it lasts me for another 200,000 years. Maybe if I start doing proper maintenance like this, it will. But this was long overdue. Don't be someone like me and neglect your vehicle, because you're breathing all that goo in inside your cab. That can't be great for you either. This is Eric. Please give me a like, subscribe, tell me what you think. And like I say, I've got probably a good 3 to 4 other projects on this vehicle that I'm going to try to do. One every few weeks, one every month for the next couple months. Try to get this thing going. Actually, I've probably got a dozen things I need to do, but that's another story. Have a blessed day, and God bless.